Good day, fellow brickers. Welcome back to the Bricker Wicker Den. In this video we will go over LEGO set 336-2 Fire Engine from 1968. The rarity score of the set is a 4 out of 6. This set was released in Europe and Australia only from 1968 to 1970. This is the second set that I'm reviewing of the 6 wide vehicles with functional steering. This set is comparable with LEGO set 374-2 Fire Engine from 1971. That is also a 6 wide vehicle with functional steering that I described in a previous video. This set is in a pristine condition, boxes crisp, with little to no damage due to play wear or wear and tear over the years. This also goes for the bricks that make up for this set. The bricks are pretty shiny with very little or no bite marks or scratches of any significance. Now this set also comes with instructions that are in a very good shape. What was also typical for these 6 wide vehicles with functional steering was that all these could be motorized. The motor was not included in these individual sets. You had to purchase LEGO set 102 motor with battery box. That was also available in 1968 if you wanted to have the motor option. Now the bricks are made of ABS in this set here. And typical for that time era also was that the pip on those bricks, you could find that on the middle, the short side right here, as you can see. Okay, right there. And the 1x2, 1x4, and 1.6x6 bricks all have these tubes on the bottom. Now, all the sets with functional steering, the base plates as well as that roof part, that roof plate of the truck have a hole in it that would enable the steering assembly to be mounted in. Now the bottom of the base plate right there has that notorious steering lip, right? And that makes that functional steering functional. Now as I mentioned before, this lip is very fragile and tend to break off. It is rare to find complete sets that still have that steering lip intact. Now, due to the intriguing nature of the models, I decided again to include the entire build of this LEGO set. I will be posting more videos soon on other 6 wide models with functional steering, so please stay tuned. And I hope you will be enjoying this build. And remember, keep bricking out there, all right? Bye!